Hi, I'm just giving you a brief overview of the course before we start. Save us some time on that first day. So this is professional nursing practice. I guess we meet in CH 117 Mondays from 8 to 11. During the week, classes start at 10 after, so it's 8:10 to 11 in CH 117. I'll put it in an announcement for you as well. Here's a QA forum if you have any questions. Here's just a brief description on the required textbooks. There's this syllabus course policies link. I have to tell you that there's nothing there, so I wouldn't click on it. So here's our syllabus. I'm just going to go through some highlights of our syllabus. So we start January 13th. All right, here's the required text and the other text that we need. These are the course outcomes. Appropriately identify ethical principles and professional standards in nursing practices and create strategies to safeguard the larger community with regards to healthcare. Selects appropriate use of social interaction frameworks to interact with diverse individuals and groups, and accurately infers how concepts, theories, and frameworks suggest interventions that promote health, prevent disease, and reflect cultural awareness. Correctly compares patterns of global health and factors that contribute to or inhibit health, and accurately compares roles, responsibilities, and legal implications of different levels of nursing practice, and use analytic frameworks to explore policy trends in the provision of primary health care on a local, state, national, and international level, and their implications for a master's prepared nurse. You'll receive the following validations with success in this course. And we'll talk more about validations and the abilities in class. Here's a brief description of the assignments. I do have a course calendar in Moodle. It's called the course map. Here are the class expectations. Basically, you have to be a self-motivated active learner. This is the time commitment. This is attendance. Attendance is required at Alverno. That might be different from your previous degree, but attendance is required. This is what to do if you can't attend or if you want to drop the course. Here's some policies about deadlines, and obviously it means that you're expected to meet the deadlines. All assignments must be completed in order to achieve success in the course. Any missing work may put your success in the course in jeopardy. I am saying the same sentence twice, just in a different way, just so that you completely understand that you have to turn in all the work. I wouldn't say this course is exceptionally hard, but you have to turn in the work. Oh my God. All right. So here's some things about the professional nursing standards. What our expectations are in the classroom. This is contacting me. So we contact you. The official way of communication is through your Alverno email. So anything that we need to do that's official needs to be done through the email. So you need to, sometimes we may talk about something and I'll say send me an email. That's because this is our official way to communicate. All right. So appropriate professional behavior is expected. So unprofessional behaviors will be addressed by your instructor and may result in an unsatisfactory progress code, or it may result in security coming and having you removed from the classroom. So here is the course map, or the course, and this just lets you know. Here are our meeting dates. So our last class is the 3rd. We meet 7 times, and you do a social interaction assessment that's attached to my class, but not really part of my class, on February 10th. F2F means face-to-face. That means you'll be with me in CH 117. If it's online, then we don't come to class that day. Our work is done online. So I won't be in class on 120 and CH 117. I will not be there. So if you show up, I won't be there. All right. Let's see. Oh, we have a course calendar over here. I'll move this so you can see it. So this is just kind of a review of the course map. Kind of gives you meeting times and some due dates. I believe the course map lets you know. It says here, unless indicated otherwise, all assignments are due on Monday at 6 a.m. So you'll see different due dates posted through there, but if you don't see a due date, then it's the following Monday at 6 a.m. Here's the required texts. If you want to get a head start, I suggest you read this book before classes start. Don't click on that because I don't have a bio there. I'll get a picture there. I tried to do it. I can't figure it out. It always takes me a few minutes to figure it out every time there's a new course. And then there's the different modules for our class. If you want to look ahead, feel free to. Some things may change as the course goes on. We also will have a student with us. She's earning her master's degree in nursing education, and she's working with me this semester. So she'll be doing some things in our course. I would say that the course isn't hard, but you have to show up and you have to do the work. All right, I look forward to meeting you in person on January 13th. Thanks.